Hello, I'm testing right now this laptop. It is MSI 65 Thin laptop and with RTX 3060, this new model, and I have heard that this laptop is very loud, but right now it is 90% load and temperature is 62%, 62 Celsius degrees, and I'm testing over 40 minutes right now. And also I'm recording with OBS, so CPU load is also, but it works pretty quietly for me. If I go to the back, you can hear the sound of the fans. If I push the table, you can hear the sound, and heatsinks and fans are pretty quiet. Thank you for watching and goodbye.